Hi and welcome back to another quick guide. Today, I'll teach you how to stop Android from downloading unwanted apps. If your Android phone keeps downloading unwanted apps, the cause is often automatic app installs, a linked device, or an app with permission to install software. Reviewing your Google Play settings and your phone security options can help prevent unwanted downloads. So follow these steps to stop apps from being installed without your approval. To begin, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Tap Apps or Security, depending on your device. Select Special App Access if the option is available. Tap Install Unknown Apps and review the list of apps that are installed to install other apps. Tap an app and turn off permissions for any app that you don't trust or don't want installing apps. Open the Google Play Store app. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Make sure you're signed in only to your own Google account. Manage apps in device for any unexpected or recently installed apps. Go to Manage and check the boxes for the app. Then tap the Delete button. Tap Install to uninstall any apps that you didn't intentionally install. Restart your Android phone after making these changes. Make your Android system and Google Play Store updated, and install apps only from trusted sources to help prevent unwanted downloads in the future. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.